Good morning, everyone. It is day one of our New Zealand box. We are traveling around the world. Unfortunately, and I'm so sad to say, it's our last stop. We have visited 12 countries.
That's amazing. Totally amazing.
It is. So your passport book should be completely full. We have the last 2 pages, literally the back cover.
You glued the cover, no worries.
Yep, so we are going to glue in our facts for New Zealand. Look at that landscape.
Oh, it's just gorgeous.
That's beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty, yes, and it's so funny, we were talking about this box and we're like, I don't know, New Zealand's a lot like Australia, do we really want to do this? But you know what, it is unique, it's totally beautiful, different. It's all its own. We are so glad we did it. It is such a fun country to learn about. But before we glue in our passport pages, let's go over a couple of fun facts. So this is the flag of New Zealand right here. And as you can see, there's a couple of stars on here, and that is for the Southern Cross constellation that you can see from the New Zealand sky. And then here is what New Zealand looks like on the map. There are 2 main islands here, and that's where most of the people from New Zealand live. And New Zealand has 2 official languages. One is English, the other is Maori. So you can say hello, just like you do here, or kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, yep. All right, and New Zealand is on the continent of Oceania. And again, that includes Australia and some of the other kind of South Pacific islands too. So it's all encompassing, that is Oceania. The national animal is the Kiwi bird. Look how adorable that is. It is so cute, so cute and fuzzy. And one of the famous landmarks in New Zealand is the Sky Tower. This is in the city of Auckland. And as you can see, that is just about the tallest thing in that city. It is really, really tall. And there's so many cool things to see in New Zealand, but we picked that one for your passport because it's just so cool looking.
Well, we're going to make some of them over the week. So
yeah, exactly.
Go ahead and glue in your pages. And back cover, finish off this passport.
That's right. That one probably need a little more glue because it's thick. Look at that, though. Look at all the cool places we've been together.
All right. You have your stamp, so go ahead and make it official. Bam.
You are there.
We are there. We are there. All right, so speaking of the Kiwi bird, there she is. All right, so it's kind of like a puzzle this morning. So you should have a paper that looks like this, and then you should have a bag full of feathers. Sorry, parents. They're the little feathers, but you know. I only gave you a few to not overwhelm you, but just dump everything out, get it.
Get that googly eye out. There it goes.
All right, so try to put all the feathers together, just sort it out, know what you're dealing with. So this is good for the little ones so that they can see all the parts, okay? And of course we have our kiwi that our bird is gonna be eating.
Oh, of course.
A kiwi for a kiwi bird. All right, then you are going to take and you are going to see if you can line up. Do you see?
Oh, there's an outline.
Yep, you can zoom
there
in a
we
little
go.
bit.
Yep, there it is.
All right, so line it up. All right, just like I said, it's like a puzzle. So once you have your puzzle put together, you know, like that does not look right.
Look quite right. No.
That does not look right. Flip it over and see where it fits, okay? Once you have that on and know where they go, slide them out just slightly, okay? And glue them on, all right? So if you're gluing the leg on first, what do we have to do? We don't want to glue this side. Nope. We want to flip it over. Put some glue and then flip it back. Boop. Get on there, stay down. All right, flip it over. Wow, this glue is messy this morning. Or I'm messy, one of the two.
Perfect for preschool, right?
That's right. All right, body, flip. Okay, put it right over top those legs. All right, we have our head. It's quiet in here.
It is quiet.
All right. Not for long.
I know, right? Enjoy it while it lasts.
All right, flip it over. Get this nice long beak. Did you know, Miss Rachel, that kiwi birds do not fly?
I did know that. That's actually one of our factoids today. Right
Did you
there.
know that almost all of the birds do not fly there?
That I did not know. That is a really
They are all
cool
flightless birds.
piece of trivia. I had no idea.
They're probably like, it's just too far to fly.
Why would I want to
Just
fly?
kinda-
New Zealand is beautiful and
Yeah.
has a great climate. Why fly? I get it.
Okay, put your eye on.
There we go.
And then all over the body. Now, your glue will dry clear.
Yes. Yes.
So
So
this
you got a
is my
purple one. No
cheat.
biggie. Yep.
Put your glue everywhere. And then put your feathers on.
Fluffy little feathers on there.
Phew.
So cute.
Okay. Got our feathers. Doo-doo-doo. And bam. All right, so you have your feathers, which makes it a bird. Just saying. They don't have fur. They have feathers.
They have feathers.
Therefore, it's a bird. Most birds fly. This one does not. All right, so now our kiwi is being eaten by our kiwi bird. And we are going to glue our facts. We can actually glue them. Let's glue them to the back.
Yep.
All right, I'll let Miss Rachel go over those and then we'll glue them to their back.
Perfect. All right, so here are our little facts about the kiwi bird. They only live in New Zealand in the wild. You may see them at a zoo in another place, but the only place you'll find them in the wild is New Zealand. As Miss Chrissy said, they cannot fly. They walk, they flitter around, but they don't fly. And as you can see in this picture, they have a really, really long beak. And their beak shape helps them find their food because they eat worms and spiders and insects that live on the ground. So that long beak helps them find them. And although kiwis are about the size of a chicken, they lay huge eggs. Their eggs weigh over a pound, which is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Crazy.
So they come out like adults.
Pretty much, yep.
That's crazy.
I know, just think about that.
Yeah.
Like, let's think of like chicken
Yeah.
eggs are, teeny tiny. But yep.
Pound. Holy moly. All right, so flip your kiwi over. Give your facts some glue. Slap it right on the back there. And now you'll be able to say, hey, look at my kiwi. By the way, did you know they can't fly?
Did
little
you know
cheat
they
sheet on the
lay
back.
giant eggs?
Giant eggs, giant eggs. All right, so that is day 1 of New Zealand. Tomorrow we will work on our letterboards. We have a bunch of fun this week. So join me tomorrow, 9:15ish.
Then we'll upload it to YouTube.
We will upload it to YouTube and go from there. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email us, wigglewormsfxbg@gmail.com. Bye.